Dame, the Magic up 14 at one point, seemingly had the momentum the majority of the game. How did you keep it close and find a way to win tonight?
I mean, it's a 48-minute game. We had a lot of turnovers in the first half, and they scored off of it. They took advantage of it. On the road, when you do that, that's what happens. Teams build leads. We stuck with it. I was in a little bit of foul trouble in the first half, but at halftime, our coaches told us we got to be overly aggressive. And I think we did that in the second half, and they got us a win.
The word we continued to describe your fourth quarter was explosion. How would you describe your mindset down the stretch?
I mean, I knew I had to come out here and be a finisher. Over the last few weeks, I haven't been able to get it going. I've been thinking about it a lot, being real hard on myself, but now my team needs me. And, it's time for us to make a push, and it's time for us to man up and get tougher. And I know I got to lead that charge, and that's all that was on my mind.
In a timeout in the third quarter, Coach Stott's a little frustrated. He challenged you guys to stay engaged. Was that a message you needed to hear because you went on an 8-0 run right after?
Yeah, I think that was what we were all thinking. But coming from the top, coming from Coach Stotts, I think it really hit home when he said it. He addressed it. We took the challenge, but I think our MVP of the game was Shabazz Napier. He came out and he's a tough MFer, man, and he completely changed the game. He brought something out there that that got us in a winning mentality, and we got to win. Largely in part because of him.
Would you say that he almost inspired the rest of you guys tonight?
He did. In the huddle before he got in the game, he was showing frustration and showing passion about what was going on because he's a winner. He wants to win, and when he got on the court, he showed that. He impacted the game, and he for damn sure impacted me and woke me up. So I think he was the MVP of our game tonight.
Would you say this entire team is woke right now?
We definitely are. We know what time of the year it is, and we got to step up. And right now, it's all or nothing, and we got to go all in.
Nice job tonight.
Thank you.